Hello guys, welcome to All Tech. Today we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. So firstly we have to download the software, that is Visual Studio Code. You can find this link in my description and go to that link. For Windows 10 you will have to download this version of this software. So let's download first. Okay, so next what we're going to do, just click on that installer. It will open a new window. You will have to accept here the agreement. Click on next. It will default will install into your C drive. If you want any different location for installation, you can browse and select so, and then click on next. Then you can keep the Visual Studio Code setup for the startup menu as it is. Click on next. If you want desktop icon, just check this checkbox to create the desktop icon. Other options you can keep as it is, so that means these are the recommended options. Click on next, and lastly you should do the install and just wait. Okay, after installation is finished, you can launch the Visual Studio Code and click on Finish button. The Visual Studio Code will be open. The next thing we are gonna do is how to set up a Java environment. So once you install the Visual Studio Code, you will get the window like this. So firstly, to set up the Java environment, go to this extensions tab and type Java. You'll get this extension pack. Just click on this and click on install. It will install all the related dependencies for Java. Okay, so once it is done, you are ready to code in Java. So let's make a new file of Java and run a code. So we will first declare a class named Hello World. And yes, ready to go. And to run this, go to the run and run. Start with debugging or without debugging, it doesn't matter, as I already installed, and you will see that our first Java program is started running. Okay guys, this is the way we set up Java environment in Visual Studio Code. If you want to see more videos about Java, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also see my other videos.